Welcome to our Amsterdam walking tour, where we'll explore the city's most iconic sights, charming streets, and hidden gems. Join us as we take you through lively squares, historic districts, and scenic canals that make Amsterdam unforgettable. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more city tours and travel insights. The central station area is the bustling gateway to Amsterdam, welcoming visitors with impressive architecture and historic charm. Opened in 1889, Amsterdam Centraal is an iconic building that blends neo-Renaissance style with modern functionality. Just outside, the waterfront offers views of ferries crossing the IJ River, with locals and tourists alike enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. This area is also a transit hub, connecting trains, trams, and buses that make exploring the city easy. Nearby, you'll find a mix of cafes, shops, and the iconic canal boat tours that launch from right outside the station. Damrak is one of Amsterdam's most lively streets, serving as a direct route from Central Station to Dam Square. Lined with souvenir shops, eateries, and tourist attractions, it offers a great first impression of the city's energy. You'll spot iconic canal houses here with their narrow facades, along with boat tours that depart from the Damrak waterfront. At night, the street lights up with a mix of vibrant signs and the gentle glow of the canals. It's a lively, colorful path perfect for anyone wanting to dive straight into Amsterdam's heart. Dam Square is the historical and cultural heart of Amsterdam, brimming with life and activity. It is home to the Royal Palace, a grand structure that once served as the city's town hall before becoming a royal residence. The square also hosts the National Monument, which honors those lost during World War II. Street performers, bustling cafes, and frequent events make Dam Square a popular gathering spot for both locals and tourists. This central square captures the city's dynamic spirit and is an essential stop for any walking tour. Rokin is a vibrant, stylish street that runs parallel to the Amstel River, connecting Dam Square to the flower market. Once the city's main harbour, Rokin has evolved into a chic area with boutique shops, upscale restaurants, and historic architecture. Here, you'll find art galleries, the new Rokin metro station with impressive modern designs, and a rich history dating back centuries. It's a scenic place to walk, offering canal views and an elegant blend of old and new Amsterdam. Rokin's bustling energy and charming atmosphere make it an ideal spot for leisurely exploration. Kalverstraat is Amsterdam's premier shopping street, packed with popular stores, boutiques, and local brands. Spanning over a kilometre, it's one of the busiest pedestrian streets in the city, attracting shoppers of all kinds. While primarily known for shopping, Kalverstraat also has historic charm, with occasional glimpses of old Amsterdam architecture amidst modern storefronts. The street leads to the famous Munttoren, Mint Tower, and is near the bustling flower market. Kalverstraat offers a lively mix of retail and history, perfect for anyone looking to experience Amsterdam's commercial side. The floating market, or Bloemenmarkt, is a colorful and fragrant highlight of Amsterdam, floating on houseboats along the single canal. Established in 1862, it's the only flower market of its kind in the world and is famous for its tulips, the iconic symbol of the Netherlands. Here, visitors can buy flower bulbs, seeds, and a wide variety of fresh flowers to take home or admire. Beyond flowers, the market also offers souvenirs and Dutch treats, adding to its lively charm. Walking through this unique market offers a delightful sensory experience and a glimpse into Amsterdam's love for flowers. Leidseplein is Amsterdam's premier entertainment square, known for its lively atmosphere, theatres, and street performances. The square is lined with cafes, restaurants, and bars, making it a popular spot for nightlife as well as daytime relaxation. During the evenings, the area comes alive with music, lights, and the buzz of people enjoying Amsterdam's social scene. Nearby, you'll find famous theatres like the Stadsschouwburg and the Melkweg, known for concerts and cultural events. Leidseplein is a vibrant spot for anyone looking to experience the energetic side of Amsterdam. Vondelpark is Amsterdam's most famous park, a green oasis where locals and tourists come to unwind, exercise, and enjoy nature. The park spans over 47 hectares and is filled with winding paths, open lawns, ponds, and flower beds. Popular spots include the Rose Garden, a beautiful expanse with over 70 types of roses, and the Open Air Theatre, which hosts performances in the summer. Vondelpark's serene atmosphere is ideal for leisurely walks, bike rides, or picnics amidst beautiful scenery. It's a must-visit area that offers a peaceful escape from the city's bustling streets. Museumplein is a cultural hub, home to some of Amsterdam's most famous museums, including the Rijksmuseum, the Van Gogh Museum, and the Stedelijk Museum. This large square is a popular gathering spot, with open lawns, fountains, and the iconic pond that turns into an ice skating rink in the winter. Museumplein is also a place for events and markets, where people gather for festivals, art fairs, and concerts. The square offers a stunning backdrop for photos, with the grand architecture of the museum surrounding it. Visiting Museumplein provides a deep dive into Amsterdam's rich art and cultural heritage. The Rijksmuseum is one of the world's most celebrated art museums, housing masterpieces from Dutch Golden Age painters like Rembrandt and Vermeer. The museum's iconic building, with its grand archway over the bike path, is a masterpiece itself, blending neo-Gothic and Renaissance revival styles. Inside, visitors can explore over 8,000 pieces of art and artifacts, including the renowned Night Watch and Delftware collections. The Rijksmuseum's beautiful gardens and exterior sculptures add to its allure, making it a must-see landmark in Amsterdam. A visit here offers an enriching journey through Dutch history, art, and culture. Frederiksplein is a quieter square in Amsterdam, known for its relaxed ambience and proximity to the city's canal belt. Located in the southern part of central Amsterdam, this square is surrounded by historic buildings and quaint cafes, offering a perfect spot to pause during a city walk. Here, you'll find green spaces with benches, making it ideal for people watching or enjoying a moment of calm. The square is also near several unique boutiques and design shops along nearby streets, giving visitors a taste of local artistry. Frederiksplein is a charming, lesser-known square that offers a peaceful retreat from Amsterdam's busier areas. Utrechtsestraat is a lively street known for its eclectic mix of independent shops, gourmet restaurants, and charming cafes. It runs south from Frederiksplein and is popular among locals for its unique shopping and dining experiences, with everything from vintage stores to artisanal cheese shops. The street's atmosphere is cozy and intimate, enhanced by picturesque canal views and classic Dutch architecture. Utrechtsestraat also boasts several specialty stores, offering goods like gourmet chocolates, boutique clothing, and vinyl records. Walking along this street provides a relaxed, authentic feel of Amsterdam, with plenty of stops to savor local flavors and find unique items. Rembrandtplein, or Rembrandt Square, is one of Amsterdam's liveliest squares, named after the famous Dutch painter. The square is filled with cafes, bars, and restaurants, making it a popular spot for nightlife and social gatherings. A statue of Rembrandt stands at the center, surrounded by benches and an impressive array of flower beds in the warmer months. By night, Rembrandtplein lights up with a vibrant energy, as people gather to enjoy the city's nightlife and dining scene. This square is a lively place to experience Amsterdam's social side, with plenty of opportunities to enjoy the atmosphere and local cuisine. De Wallen, also known as the Red Light District, is Amsterdam's oldest and most famous neighborhood, rich with history and cultural intrigue. The area is known for its unique blend of historic architecture, winding canals, and narrow alleyways. Walking through De Wallen, you'll see historic churches, old-style Dutch buildings, and learn about Amsterdam's open-minded approach to various aspects of culture. The neighborhood is also home to museums, cafes, and shops, making it a fascinating area to explore beyond its more well-known attractions. Visiting De Wallen offers a mix of cultural insights and historical charm that is quintessential to Amsterdam. Thank you for joining us on this Amsterdam walking tour. We hope you enjoyed exploring the city's vibrant culture and history with us. If you loved the journey, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with fellow travel lovers. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more adventures and insights into the world's most beautiful cities.